Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let's start. So in last video, I have developed some of my page section, as you can see. Okay, till here awards and recognition and our global presence. So in this video, I will try to develop the next section, that is numbers are growing, this section, and the last two section, that is called footer of the page, and this video may be the end of this page. Okay, yeah, that is good. Okay, that's good. Dive class opening, followed by class tag, having the class called Jumbotron, and count as a CSS class inside dive section called, followed by class having the name container, h2 tag having the content, the numbers are growing, tag closed. Again there is dive class opening with class attribute having the class deflags, flags wrap, justify content center, and count 1. Okay, here all that classes till here are bootstrap class, and this class is CSS class that are designed or created to implement CSS property in this dive section. Again dive class followed by class attribute having the value p2, customers, tag closed, p id attribute having the value total count, having the value total count, sorry for my speed, and that is 23 million, 23 million. And another paragraph tag having the value red bus is trusted by over 23 million happy customers. Globally. Okay, now I am copying this type section from here 3 times because I have to implement 3 different column. And I am changing the name of the paragraph tag and content of that column simply. Here operator, count is I think 2600, and inside a paragraph tag, network of over 2600 bus operators. Coming to next column, tag data inside paragraph tag is tickets. $180 plus million, and data here is over 100 million trips booked using it bus. Okay, over 100 million trips booked over red bus. This is it. Save it and check the output first. Sorry, here. As you can see, alignment is coming properly, and just you have to make that alignment at center, so that this element and this element should be at left and right, and this should be at the center, in between both of them, and slightly little lower than both the elements. Okay, so for that we need to provide CSS class in a style tag. So styling for first count class, copy it and use the property. Total count. Font size 40 px, color red. As you might know, all these tags, because these are very simple CSS attribute and value. Okay, font size is for making for the size of the font of different text element. Okay, and this is for color of the text element. So save it and check the first output. Yeah, that's are good. And one more thing I would like to do is make that alignment. So for that I need to provide one more class. I think I am missing something in the dive sections. And let me check what are the output coming. Yeah, output is coming right. Change the size of the screen and you can see, yeah, that's are good. Changing different screen size, you can see the alignment. that they are taking place. Yeah, that's good, and that's also over. So moving to the next section. Okay, time is still there, so we need to move to the next section. Dive opening tag, followed by class attribute having the value jumbotron as a class. Again dive opening tag followed by class attribute having the value container as a class and a root as a class. Again there is dive sections followed by class attribute with a deep flex class, flex wrap, justify content center, and within that there is again there is a dive tag having the value class attribute in which there is a class called p2 and flex fill, in which there is a tag called h5 for heading, and the values are top bus routes. For closing of h5 tag, again paragraph tag, yeah, that's it. Closing of tag, and tag again there is a paragraph tag with value Bangalore, spelling mistake, to Chennai, see Chennai bus. Again paragraph tag with value Pune to Bangalore bus, Pune to Bangalore bus. Closing of tag, and one last paragraph tag containing the value Mumbai to Bangalore bus. That's it for that type section. Okay, I am now copying the value of that dive section to another dive section, and I will just change the value inside the dive section. Okay, it saves our time that will be required in coding again and again. Save it and see what are the output that are coming. As you can see, output is coming properly according to the main page sample. The difference is that h5 contains the color blue, so we need to change that. Do one thing, just add one h5 tag of HTML and provide the color attribute with followed by the value followed by the colon having the value blue. save it and see the changes. Yes, that's good. And remaining are the, as you can see, some of the data are that more and more in the column of top cities and top RTC, and in my sample they are not coming because I haven't added them in my file. Okay, you can add that also. I am moving forward to next section because there is already a time running and I have to complete in that video itself. So moving to next section, opening of div tag followed by class attribute, having the value jumbotron as a bootstrap class. Inside there is another div tag, sorry, having the value container and about red container as a CSS custom class. Inside the div tag there is another div tag having the attribute called class with the value deflex class, flags wrap and justify content center. Inside that paragraph tag with the attribute class having the value footer heading. I am providing a special class for this paragraph tag because I need to provide some styling for that paragraph, so I need to provide custom separate class for that paragraph. And value about red bus. Run red bus on mobile. Sitemap offers, sorry, careers. And last one is value. Actually I have missed one div tag. Okay, there is another div tag that should be here with a value called p2. Inside that tag this paragraph tag should be present, so not a problem. I have changed it and copy it and paste it, sorry. Okay, first let me see what are the output coming. As you can see, output is coming. All right, just we need to provide some extra special styling to that side type section. I have only 5 minutes to complete this video, so I am running a bit really fast. Okay, so if you have any confusion till now, you can comment me and send me the link, send me the email provided in the link of every video. In the last sections I have to make some changes, that is I have to cut all that line and add image tag with attribute called src, having the value called images as a name of folder, followed by slash and then name of image, that is bus.png. I should cut here because there is no need of this tag. Okay, I need to add some class attribute here for providing style to that footer image. Okay, moving forward, Redbus is the world largest online and bus ticket booking. Redbus is largest online bus ticket booking platform, trusted by over 10 million customer globally. Okay, you can edit. I am just using that class to provide a style to that image. Sorry, actually I think this is not copied. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and providing footer image property, that is height is 100 px and width is 100 px, and about a red container. As you know, I have created a separate class for provide styling in that div section with the value text aligned center. Refresh it and you can see there is an image having a white 100 and 100 is showing, followed by the paragraph that I have added in that HTML tag. Okay, I have 2 minutes more to do that. Do one thing, change the color with value called white. Refresh it, and one more change is required in the div section, div tag, having the value bg dark. This is the bootstrap class. Refresh it. Yes, this is good. This is actually totally dark and I have used dark. Okay, you can also provide some other colors as shown in the main page, but not a big deal. And one more thing, you can see there is a color called gray color applied on the heading of that column. Okay, so for this go for footer heading. Okay, this class, copy it and use the color called gray. Save it and the output is there. Yes, as you can see. So this is it for this video, and I think I have completed my first page, that is main page for online reservation system. It is completed. And you have any doubt related to code that I have applied for this page, you can ask me anytime. I will try to solve it within a 24 hour. Okay, means one day. So it's not a big deal. Just follow me on my YouTube channel, and all are correct more or less. You can also provide some background color, but that is not a point of our project. Our point is to complete the project with 95% matching. Okay, not 100%. So this is it for today's video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, my video, and hit the bell icon so that you can get my videos time to time. And stay tuned with us. Thank you. See you next video. And one more thing, this is the last video of this main page. Okay, and from next video I will design another page that I will show you next video which page I will design. Okay, so thank you.